Houston, we have a problem. We don't have any big bowls. We got this. Oh wait, what am I doing? Oh, bowls! Guys, we got the flour. We need the 2 cups sugar. I bought sugar. Believe it or not. How do you open this? Ah! Oh, I thought that was gonna hurt. All right. Okay, 2 cups sugar. 1/3 cup high quality dark cocoa powder. 1/3. Get third. 1/3 cup. Wait, 1/3. I said it's 3/4, not 1/3. What am I? What? 3/4. 2/3. What does 3/4 cup look like? 3/4. What does 3/4 look like? Guys, help! What is 3/4 cup of 2/3? Am I dumb? Don't answer that. Okay, so 3 1/4 cup will be enough, so let's do that. Shut up! This is my first time making an AI cake. By the way, at the end of the video, I'm gonna give my girlfriend a taste test AI cake versus actual cake.